So, first things first, we want to make sure that we've got plenty of space to the side of us. So if everybody can just reach your arms out for me. Make sure that you've got a little bit of room to move from side to side, because we're going to be doing some side movements and we're going to be doing some forward and back movements. Are we all okay with that, yeah? Right, so let's just get straight into it. This is a boxercise class and we've come here to learn how to box today, yeah? So, first thing we need to do is set our stance. So, whatever hand you write with, can you put that hand in the air for me? Lovely. Now I want you to use that same hand, take that leg and step it behind. Yeah? So when I say to you today, set your fighting stance, this is the position I want you to come into, yeah? Good. Now, it's no good doing a boxercise class if we're going to keep our hands by our sides, is it? So we need to set up our protection as well. So let's make our fists. Everybody show me your hands. Good. Now what I want you to do is close all your fingers. So if I come a bit closer, look, so you can see. Yeah, so there's your hands. Close all your fingers down. And then I want you to take your thumbs and put them over the top of your fingers. So not on top of your knuckles, directly in front of your fingers there, yeah? Good. Now, bring them to your chin. When I say fighting stance today, this is where you're going to bring them, yeah? So we want to protect our chin, and we want to keep our elbows squeezed in nice and tight to our bodies, so that we're protecting our ribs as well, okay? So let's have a little practice of that to start. So if I shout to you, fighting stance, were they ready, yeah? Good. Right, shake it off, everybody. Let me just check that you're listening one more time. Ready? Fighting stance. Good job. Well done. There was some sharp moves there then. People get into their stances really quick. Fighting stance. You've got to be ready for it, because we got to think fast in boxercise, everyone. Okay, so I know all you boys and girls, you do PE every week, so I'm going to assume that you already know that one really important thing that you need to do before we take part in any exercise, and that is warm our muscles up and stretch them out, yeah? So everybody take your feet wider than your hips, bring your arms wide, and I just want you to go sway from side to side, twisting through your spine, yeah? Good, that's it, keep it going. Now, take a big breath in, facing the front. Big breath in, arms reach up. And then we're going to bring them wide and down slowly. So we open up through our chest. We open up all the shoulders by here in our muscles. And then once they come down, I want you to take hold of your hands behind and pull. Good. Keep holding it there for a couple more seconds and shake it off. Well done. So we don't only want to warm up our upper body, do we? We want to warm up our legs as well. So taking this leg, take a nice long step back, and I want you to push your heel down to the floor. So that's going to stretch all the way up our calves. Lovely. Step it in. Now how good is your balance? Take one arm out for me, and then bring the other leg up, and I want you to pull your heel in towards your bottom. So from the side, you can see it here. So this is our quad stretch, and it's warming all the fronts of our legs, yeah? Good. Now, take that foot down. We're going to do the other side. So take that leg back. Push your heel down to the floor. So we're starting by warming up our calves. And lift your chest. Nice tall spine. Good. Now step it in. Take the other hand out. And pick the other leg up and pull that heel into your bottom. Well done. Shake it off, everybody. Right, now let's just double check. Fighting stance. Oh, were we already then? I don't know if we were. Let's try again. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Keep shaking, keep shaking. Fighting stance. Good. Now sometimes, instead of saying fighting stance, I might say guards up. And you're going to bring them there. And then sometimes I might change it and I'll say flat hands. And if I say flat hands, this is what I want you to do, okay? So, guards up. Flat hands. Guards up. Flat hands. Excellent. Right, shake it off. Fighting stance. Who was ready for that one then? Okay, so in order to get us even more warm, I think we should start by playing a game. And today's game seems as we've got the lovely Lomu the lion, then I think we should play a game called Lomu the lion. So who is familiar with the game Simon Says? Put your hands in the air if you know the game Simon Says. Hands up. Who knows it? Yeah? But today it's going to be called Lomu Says instead. So, hang on a minute. What's going on back here? Oh, are you going to join in for this one then, Lomu? Boys and girls, do you think we should let Lomu join in for this game? Yeah? Everybody agree with that? Right, great stuff. Okay, so that's what we're going to do then. So, everybody assume Lomu says fighting stance. Lomu says switch your stance. So when we say switch stance, we're going to go straight from one and then we're going to just jump our other leg in front, and that's going to be our switch stance, yeah? What if I was to say, Lomu says, flat hands, guards up. Oh, who did the guards up? I didn't say Lomu says. Let's try again. So, flat hands, Lomu says, guards up. Lomu says, flat hands. Now we've got to go down in true lion style. Lomu says, roar, roar. And I want to hear all of you do your roar as loud as you... Oh, have you got a new one, Lomu? Oh, okay. So everybody, Lomu has a new move that he wants to show us in this game. Now, I don't know this move, but we're going to give it a go. So, what was it again, Lomu? Okay, yeah. Right, so Lomu says, lazy lion. Lomu? Lomu? Are you snoring? Are you snoring? You can't fall asleep in the middle of a warm-up, you silly sausage. You are such a lazy lion. Come on, we've got to finish this warm-up with all these children. So, everybody, Lomu says, fighting stance. Lomu says, switch stance. Lomu says, guards up. Ha. Lomu says, flat hands. Roar! Ah, who got caught out? I didn't say Lomu says. And even Lomu did the roar. Silly lion. Right, okay. I tell you what, we'll have a little go at your new one. Ready? Where were we? Lomu says, lazy lion. Are we snoring? Right, come on up everybody. Well done. So, shake yourselves off. Shall we give a big thank you to Lomu? We'll see see you later, Lomo, okay? Well done. Okay, everybody. So now that we're all nice and warm, we're going to take it into our main boxercise section. So now we're really going to start moving and using all our side-to-side movements and all our forward and back movements, okay? So, set your stance for me. Fighting stance. Show me your guards. Well done. Okay, so with any boxercise class or any boxing match, we've got to learn to do our side shuffles. So, with the leg that's behind, that's the leg that's going to lead, okay? So we're going to go this way first, and you're going to take 2 steps over. Step together, stop. Well done. Now we've got to take it back. Step together, step together. Well done, everybody. Let's do that again. So over this way, step together, and now back the other way. Step together. So we're going to do that again, but we're going to try and go a little bit faster. Do you think we can all do that? Give me a thumbs up. Right, ready? Here we go. Step together, step together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this way, 4, 2. Step together. A little bit faster. Step together, and we go back. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Faster. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Try and stay soft in your knees so we get a little bit of a bounce. Not like this. Yeah? We're just starting slow. So everybody come back to where you started. Shake it off. We're going to try that again. Fighting stance. Were we ready? This way. Let's go. Step together. Keep it going. Now I'm going to start to change it up. You ready? 2 more. I'm going to bring it forward. Walk to me. Step together, now back. Step together, forward and back. Again, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and keep it moving. Forward and back and stop. Right, shake it off, everyone. Shall we put some music on to do that too? Yes? Thumbs up? Right, let me put some music on for us then. We're going to do that to the beat. Here we go, keep it moving. March it up. Okay, everybody, fighting stance. Get ready to go. Over 4, 2, we go. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Get your body moving. So keep it light in the legs. That's it. I'm all 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Where's your guards, everybody? Bring it to the front. Go. 1 and 2, and back and 2. Forward and back. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let's go to the side. Side and side. Again. What's it saying? Get your body moving. Bring it to me. Forward and back. One more. Shake it off. Let's reset. Everybody, fighting stance. Remember, fists to your jaw, elbows in. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Get your body moving. Get your body moving. And done. Well done, everyone. Okay, so let's be honest. We came here to do some punching today, didn't we? Who's ready to start throwing some punches? Give me a thumbs up. Excellent. Okay, so in Boxercise, there's lots of different types of punches that we can create. But first things first, you need to set your fighting stance. Show me. Now I'm going to come a little bit closer so that you can all see where my hands and my arms are going to go. Okay? So our first combination in boxing is called our 1-2. And this is going to be your jab cross. So starting with the same arm as your back leg. That is going to be your leading hand. Yes, so remember when we set up at the start, we all put the hands that we right with in the air, didn't we? And then we put that same leg behind us, yeah? So set your fighting stance. So that arm is going to be the arm to throw the first punch. Excellent. Oh, there's some good techniques going on here, guys. Well done. So set your stance. So your 1-2 is 1. And then as that arm comes back, remember where it has to come back to protect your jaw, yeah? And then the other arm comes through. So try that again. So our 1-2 combination, which is our jab cross, we're going to go 1-2. Now when you're doing it, make sure you brace all the muscles in your belly really tight and keep your legs really steady, okay? So everybody, fighting stance. Show me your fighting stance. Are we ready for this fight? Of course we are. Okay, so 1-2 combination. Show me again. 1-2. Do it again. 1-2. And again. 1-2. Now keep it going with me. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do we think we can go a little faster? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How was that, everyone? Right, you have a little go on your own over there. You show me. Everybody ready? Fighting stance. Show me your fighting stance. We've got to be ready. And go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Where's your fists? 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep your chin down and keep your eyes up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Right. I think we've got our 1-2 combination down, yeah? No? I was watching you. You were looking pretty good to me. So now we're going to change it into our 3-4 combination. And our 3-4 combination is our head hooks. So the elbow comes high, the arm comes round. Yeah? And then we bring it back the same way on the other side. So there's your 3, there's your 4. Where do your feet need to be when you're doing this? In our fighting stance, yeah? Excellent. Right, so everybody do it with my count, your 3 and your 4. 1, 2, 3, and go. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Good. Stop there for me a second. One thing that really helps when you're doing your hooks is lifting your heels off the ground and rotating your body a little bit so that you can bring more power into your punches, yeah? So take your feet apart, take your fighting stance. Fighting stance. We're going to go back heel up, front heel up, back heel up, front heel up, back and front. So it comes up and down, then up and down, up and down, up and down. down. Now we're going to add the punch. 3, 4. 3, 4. Make sure you set your fists back to your jaw. Keep your elbows tucked in every time. Do we think we can take that a little bit faster? Fighting stance, everybody, show me. Where's your fighting stance? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, we go. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let's go a little faster. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well done. Who knows a really good song from a really famous film that we could do these boxing techniques to? Do we all know of at least one film? I think so. So I'm going to press play and we're going to do our 1-2 combination and our 3 and 4 combination all to the music. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, while I press play, everybody, fighting stance, let's go. Oh, here it is. Okay, set wide. We mean business now, yeah? Bounce on the spot. Set your fighting stance. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep it coming. Now let's start to go a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chance.
Excellent. I'm loving these punches that are being thrown today, everyone. Keep it coming.
So many times, it happens too fast.
Now you may start to feel like your shoulders are starting to ache, but you know what? That's all good. That means you're working hard. Let's change to our 3 and 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. So elbow high. Back to your 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I say keep your guards up, everybody. Let's take it a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Brace your belly tight. Keep your back heel up. Of the tiger. Good. Reset your stance, everyone. Fists up. Show me your best fighting stance. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Come on, keep it coming. We don't quit, do we? No, because we are fighters. A little faster. 3, 4. 3, 4. Bring it round. Set your stance. Yes, well done. Shake it off. Okay. Whoa, check it out, everybody. I think Lomu is impressed. What do you reckon, Lomu? Big thumbs up for that one, yeah? Good. Okay. So now we've got our side shuffle and we've got our boxing combinations. So do you think we can put our brains to the test and put them both together? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up if you think you can do that. Give me a big thumbs up if you think we can do our side steps and our boxing combinations all in one. Really? Or you're going to have to show me then, aren't you? Right, let's try again. Let's put some music on. Okay, everybody, fighting stance. Squeeze your elbows in, fists up to your face. Make sure we're protected, yeah? Nice and light in the legs. Let's start with our side step. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Excellent. Look at you all moving around there. We're just gonna do 3 more. Keep it coming. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Stop here. 1, 2 combo. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. Go on, punch the air. Ready to bring your walk forward. 1 and 2 and back. 1 and 2. That's it. Nice and low in the legs. Where's your guards? I see some hands down here. Keep them up. To me. Forward. And back.
I hold you through the toughest parts when you feel like
Hold here. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. That's it. Remember, elbows high. Where do your fists come to, everybody? Faster. 3, 4. 3, 4. To the side we go. Step together, step together. Now get ready. To the front. 1 and 2, no back. 1 and 2. Oh, mine's in gear. Punch 1, 2. 1, 2. 3 and 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Side step, let's go. 1 and 2, back. To the front of me. And back. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, look at you all moving together. Excellent job. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Lift your heels. Excellent. We did it. Well done. Virtual high 10. Oosh. Okay. How are we all feeling? Are we puffing a little bit? Give me a wave if you're puffing a little bit. Oh, there weren't many hands going up there. Does that mean I've got to work you all harder? Okay, hands in the air if you want to be pushed a little bit harder. Some of you do, okay. So let's go into the best of both worlds. So in that case, we're going to play another little game, and I think it's only fair that we invite Lomu back over to play this game with us. So give me a thumbs up if you all know the bean game. Yeah? Only today, we're going to turn it into a boxing bean game. Yeah? We all cool with that? Okay, so if you all know, because I saw lots of hands going up in the air. Did you see lots of hands in the air there, Lomu? Yeah, I thought so. My eyes weren't deceiving me. So with our bean game today, let me check. Run a bean! thought you knew what to do. If I shout run a bean, you all need to run as fast as you can on the spot, yeah? But if I shout boxing bean 1, 2, you give me your fighting stance, and I want to hear you shout 1, 2. Can you do that for me? Yeah? So let's try again. So we're going to change it. We're not going to do a runner bean. We're going to do a jumping bean. So everybody jumping up. Oh, Lomu, what was that? That wasn't a jumping bean. Silly sausage. Right, okay. So let's try again. And maybe Lomu can get it right this time. So everybody, jumping bean. Boxing bean, 1, 2, 1, 2. But you've got to do it as fast as you can. Because you've got to be the person to strike first, yeah? Okay, so let's have another go. What do we do for string bean? String bean is normally here, yeah? But if I was to say to you, boxing bean 3, 4, you set your stance, and you go 3, 4. So exactly like we've just learnt. Everyone okay with that? Okay. What about baked bean? What do you lot do for baked bean? Because my baked bean likes to sunbathe. So usually I just get on the floor and I sunbathe down here. Do you all do that as well? Some of you do, some of you don't. Loma, what do you do for baked bean? Lay on the floor. Okay. Go on then, show me. There we are. Okay, so this is Lomu's baked bean for today, yeah? Right, come on then, Lomu, we can't be a lazy lion now, what do you get? Right, so let's have a little practice then, everybody. So, run a bean. Come on, run as fast as you can, as fast as you can. Get those legs moving, get those arms going. Boxing bean, 1, 2. 1, 2. Did you all shout it? Excellent. Right, jumping bean. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, everybody. Get jumping around. Boxing bean, 3, 4. 3, 4. Fantastic. I saw lots of punches being thrown then. String bean. Boxing bean, 1, 2. 1, 2. Wow, Lomo, I'm impressed with your moves today. You were doing a good job. Best line I've ever seen doing the bean game, I know that. Right, what about, let's go back to our run a bean, run a bean, run a bean. Boxing bean, 3, 4, 3, 4. Fighting stance. Run a bean. Keep running, keep running, keep running. Boxing bean, 1, 2, 1, 2. Fantastic. Baked bean. Oh, are you okay, Lomo? Do you want me to help you up? You hit your head on that then. You've got to be careful, Lomu. Okay. Are we all impressed with Lomu's moves today? Yeah? Right. We're going to take it into one last little burst before we start to cool it down. So, Lomu, give me a high five. Well done. Go on, you go have a rest, you lazy lion. The rest of us, we're going to carry on doing a few more of our combinations. So we're going to keep our 1, 2, and we're going to keep our 3, 4. But we're going to add 2 squats. So, do you all know how to squat? Show me your best squat. Go on, everybody. Show me how you do your best squat. Good. Good try, everyone. Yes. So we're going to come down. We're going to bend our knees. We push our bottoms out, and we keep our chest up. Yeah? And then when we come down, we want to come down far enough so that we've got a 90-degree angle with our legs. Just going to turn my head mic off because it's going a little bit funny. So let's try that again. Everybody face me. Okay, now bend your knees, push your bottom back and keep your chest up.
Excellent. Now stay where you are. I want you to shuffle round to face the side so that I can see you've got it in the right position. So everybody, if you're facing me, turn round to the side and then do your squat. Lovely work. Okay, now I want you to do 2 of those. So let's do it together. We go 1 and 2. Great stuff. So feet a little bit wider than your hips. Let's try that again. Chest up. Ready? We're going down and up and down and up. Fantastic. Now, once we've done our 2 squats, you're going to add on your 3 and your 4. Yeah? Are we all okay with that? Can you all hear me okay? Some of you are saying no. So if I put this back on.
Can you hear me now? Okay, so let's try that again. So take your feet wider than your hips. Bring your hands up to your chest and push your bottoms out. Let's go. Down and up and down and up. Good. Right, and all the bits in between, we're just going to make up as we go along. So this is our last burst, and there's a little bit in this song where I want you to go as fast as you can, and you can throw whatever punch you want, but not until I say so, okay? Are we ready? Give me a thumbs up if we're ready. Excellent, let's do it. Okay, so everybody facing me. Fighting stance. We go step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Excellent. So stay low in your legs. Guards up to your face. Remember, we protect ourselves at all times. Watch me. Knee, tap. Knee, tap. Knee up, down, tap back. Watch. 2 squats. Down, up, down, up. 3, 4. Down, up. Guards up. Keep looking if you want. I said side to side. Step, tap, step, tap. Let's add the knee. Knee, tap. Knee, tap. Knee, tap. Set. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 2 squats. Keep it coming. Okay, wait. Flat hands. We're going to reset. Now this is where you can do any punch that you like. Start slow. Whatever you want to do, yeah? You've got the choice. Nice and slow to start. Then start to go a little bit faster. Are we ready? As many as you can. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, show me. Show me the best that you can do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait, set wide. Ready? 3, 4, 2 squats. Come on, we can go lower than this. Punch it. Punch it. feeling after that one? Give me a thumbs up if we feel okay. Give me a thumbs up if we enjoyed that. Yes, excellent. Right, so now we need to start cooling down a little bit. We've done all that big load of work right there, so now we need to start to catch our breath a little, bring our heart rate down, dry our sweaty pits if we've got any, because I've certainly got some. Lomo, have you got sweaty armpits today? I know. I've been working so hard. Okay, so everybody, the same as we did in the beginning. Take your feet wide. Take a big breath in, open up your chest, take your arms out. Come on, I don't see everybody doing this. Take your arms out for me, we're stretching. Really important to stretch so that our muscles aren't aching tomorrow, yeah? Good. Okay, walking your feet in, taking one leg back, push your heel down. So we're stretching out our calves. Well done, everyone. Now step your foot in, take one hand out for balance, and then bring the other foot up to your bum and pull it in. Good. Now change legs. The other leg needs to go back. Push your heel down. So remember, if I turn to the side so you can see, your heel is pushing down to the floor. So we're going to stretch all the way up the back of our leg. Now step that foot in, take one hand out, and then take hold of your foot and pull it into your bottom. Excellent. Release the leg. Everybody take your hands wide, wrap them in front, pull forward so you can feel the stretch. Come all the way across your back there, yeah? Now take a big breath in, knuckles reach up towards the ceiling. Take them wide, pulling them all the way back and down. Well done. Now step your feet in, take one hand, take the other hand, and give yourselves a big round of applause. Well done, everyone. Excellent work today. We are done. You can go and enjoy your weekend. After all that exercise you've done, you deserve it. Yeah? Did we all enjoy? Give me a thumbs up if we enjoyed. Anybody not enjoy? Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. We don't want any thumbs down, do we? Excellent. Well done, everybody. I will see you all again soon, okay? Say bye-bye to Lomu. Thank you.